Okay, unboxing the Narwal flow. Robot vacuum cleaner. Okay, what do we got? Safety instructions. User manual. Quick guide. Install the side brushes. Remove the paper tray and install replaceable cleaning filter. Remove the paper trays that fix the robot inside the dock and take out the cleaning tray. Clip the replaceable filter into the slot of the tray and press it down to install in place. There's the little brushes. All that's in there. Do not tilt when picking up or placing. Be cautious to prevent falling. Roger that. Roger that. It's going to be a bit hard with one hand. There she is. Alright, give me 1 sec. Alright, there it is. It's heavy. Very heavy. Like power. Here's the cleaner. Please tear off before use. Okay, what do we got? One vacuum cleaner. Open. Please remove this sticker and filter sponge before use. Sticker and filter sponge. So yep, so there's the there is press the buckle and pull out the dustbin, and then replace the insert bin, replace the dustbin filter, press down on the dustbin until it clicks in place. Alright, I won't flop around with that. I'll put this back in. Okay, so what else does it have in there? Oh yeah, okay, so there's that. That's just to hold it in place, and that is just a shock absorber. Alright, okay, let's do this. So quick guide. So install the side brushes, which is just a matter of left and right, left, right. I'll flip this bad boy over. And it's got the colours on there for left and right. And we've got, yeah, it's sort of a tapered down system. Clips in place. We'll go right, left, sorry. Clips in place. All right, there she goes. So press the brushes into the slots as indicated by colour until they click into place. Check. 3. Remove the paper trays and install the replaceable cleaning filter. Paper trays. Maybe they're talking about something in here. That. What's the picture saying? Oh, yeah. Remove the paper trays that fix the robot. Insert the dock. Take out the cleaning tray. Clip the replaceable filter into the slot of the tray and press down Oh, I don't know. I don't know what they're talking about. I don't know. There's no other. There's nothing else in here. There's nothing in here that I can see. Nothing there. I might have to read the instructions. Because there's nothing else in that box. And the picture, what's the picture showing? Install the cleaning tray. Alright, here's the manual. Replaceable cleaning filter ×1. Okay, what are we talking about here? So there must be a cleaning filter that goes in here. Oh, what have we got here? What have we got here? This looks a bit promising. We've got oh yeah, here we go. That is the dust bag. Dust bag, here we go. Here we go. I think we're having a win here, guys. So it's got hole to remove the cover. Cover just comes off, and there's the dust bag. There's a dustbin filter. Replaceable cleaning filter, which I would assume could be this. That's the replacement for that. And this, not sure. That's that. Filter goes in there. Assuming that's dirty water, clean water. What I don't understand is this one here, replaceable cleaning filter, and it's saying dust bag detergent, replaceable cleaning filter, dustbin filter, replaceable insert bin. Yeah, I'm not too sure. And then get ready to use. Before use, install press brushes, remove the paper tray and install the replaceable cleaning filter. Oh, I don't know. Replaceable cleaning filter. Replaceable cleaning filter. I'm pretty sure I've opened up everything here. Everything's opened up. Everything's opened up. Don't understand what this replaceable cleaning filter is. Oh, it's only a small little thing. You can see it there. Cleaning base, replaceable cleaning filter. It's only small. It's only small. Oh, could it be that? No, that's the insert bin. Replaceable cleaning filter. What the hell? Where are you? Where are you?